Good morning. Happy Sunday. It's the day after St. Patrick's Day. This morning we are dealing with our leftovers from St. Patrick's Day. And the main focus mainly it would be the mashed potatoes. We're going to make a mashed potatoes pancakes. So simple to make. Just cheese, egg, one egg, and flour. If you want to throw in some veggies onto it, go for it. Like green bell peppers or jalapenos if you like the spicy type. But typically I just put scallions or green onions. But since we don't have that, I'm just going to go run with one egg, cheese, and the flour. On the other side of that, I'm going to make scrambled eggs. And I'm going to refry our corned beef in there to warm it up. Just crack this egg open here. One egg. One. Dump the cheese. Dump the flour. Wash your hands, obviously. And I know you could do a mixer, but I usually just mix it with hand. Put this on time lapse. So once you get it all mixed up, create a ball. That's fun. Warm it up. Okay, add your favorite oil. This is on medium heat, and you know, mashed potatoes already cooked, so you just want to create that crispy outer shell of it. Just added a little bit of butter to coat the pan, and just really just warming it up. After this, I'm gonna go ahead and plate it. This is, of course, the day after St. Patty's Day breakfast. And I think this is good to go. Let me go ahead and plate it. And go from there. Hang tight. This is the Irish soda bread, refried corned beef, scrambled eggs, and of course, the one I showed, the mashed potato pancakes. Look at that. Looks so good. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Buon appetito. Have a good one. Talk to you guys later. Bye for now.